Good Monday afternoon, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's take a quick look at what's going on out there weather-wise. Is rain starting to make its way out of the county, but colder temperatures starting to move in. So we've got 45 degrees in Salisbury right now. There you see some isolated showers still lingering around. Once these go through, we're pretty much going to start to dry out for the remainder of the day. The winds are going to continue to be a factor. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the winds are gusting at right now out there. We've got 16 miles per hour in Salisbury, 17 up toward Lexington, 21 out in Statesville, 20 out toward Asheboro. So you can see that the winds are still pretty much fluctuating anywhere between I don't know, 15 to 25 miles per hour. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that. Let's turn off all of this detail now, and we're going to turn on the model data and talk about what's coming for Wednesday, as that's going to be the factor for us as we really head through the overnight hours of Tuesday into Wednesday. Let's go ahead and get everything kind of loaded up here. We're going to run this from 10 p.m. Tuesday evening to 1 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, and give you an idea of what's happening here. We'll let it load up real fast, and then I'll slow it down so you can see what's happening. So we'll go ahead and take it back. This is 10 p.m. Wednesday or Tuesday evening. Get in a little closer to home here so you can see Rockwell, Salisbury, Cleveland, China Grove, Kannapolis down here to the south. So we'll go ahead and take it now to 1 a.m. Wednesday morning. And there you see, you're starting to see some red moving in on the model data. And keep in mind, this is just one of the models that we utilize here, but all of them are really kind of in sync with each other in terms of the fact that we will see some wintry mix going on Wednesday morning. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that. So you see the chance for sleet, freezing rain moving into the county here. Again, this is 1 a.m. over toward Cleveland, Enochville, Atwell, places like that. We'll go ahead and take you now to 4 a.m. You see Cleveland, Salisbury, China Grove, Rockwell, pretty much everybody into the wintry mix at this part at 4 a.m. Wednesday morning. We'll now take you to 7 a.m. Wednesday morning. Still seeing quite a bit, but there's a nose of warm air that keeps kind of pumping its way in and out of here. You can see it based on the green here, which would indicate a cold rain. That's continuing to flow in and out as this model continues to update. So we see Cleveland, Salisbury, China Grove, Rockwell still seeing a mixed bag of precipitation. Could see some sleet, some freezing rain involved there. Not going to rule out snowflakes, but they would be pretty isolated, to be quite honest with you. This is really going to be more of an icing event at this point because of the warm air aloft for us. And we now head to 10 a.m. Wednesday morning. You see mainly a cold rain for the majority of the county. Cleveland and that area up in the northwest corner still seeing some mixed precipitation there. Could linger down maybe to around Mount Ola, and that's really going to be the area to keep an eye on, I think, for any kind of icing accumulation for the county would be up toward Cleveland and areas like that. We're only looking at maybe a trace to a tenth of an inch, a glazing to a tenth of an inch. I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this. And then by 1 p.m. Wednesday, you see everything's pretty much gone. It's off to our east and moving out. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that. I do want to minimize this for just a moment to get to, so let's turn the model data off now. Let's turn on the winter information here for us, and we'll click on the ice and see what it's indicating for us. So this is a best chance scenario for any icing around the county. This has fluctuated back and forth over the last couple of model runs here, and we still see one constant, and that's the fact that the Cleveland area continues to really kind of be the one that hangs on there to show any kind of chance of icing going on. Could see maybe a glazing in Salisbury, places like that, but as you get toward Cleveland again, we could see up to a tenth of an inch of ice right in that area, right in that northwest corner of the county. And we'll certainly continue to keep you updated on that, keep an eye on it. We'll post a few more of these videos, obviously, between now and the time Wednesday gets here to keep you updated. And we'll certainly keep you updated as things are occurring on Wednesday as well, getting the radar data back on here for you. But we'll continue to keep the updates flowing for you, make you aware of anything that's happening around the county, and continue to keep you updated on the potential for any kind of icing, or if this thing changes and goes to a completely cold rain event. The models have been consistent with the fact that it's going to be a wintry mix. Right now, the only thing that's out there is how much is it going to be, and everything seems to be pretty low right now. As always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather, and enjoy the rest of your Monday, and we'll provide another update later today.